Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 2525, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 2525? What's the symbolism of 2525? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 2525 mean for love? What does 2525 mean for twin flames? What does 2525 for manifestation? How does angel number 2525 affect finances? What does 2525 mean for former relationships? How does 2525 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 2525? What are the weaknesses of angel number 2525? What's the meaning of angel number 2525? Angel number 2525 signifies major life changes that are both necessary and divinely guided. It combines the vibrations of number 2, partnership, harmony, balance, and number 5, change, freedom, adventure, both appearing twice to amplify their influence. This number tells you to embrace transformation with confidence, as it will lead to growth and new opportunities. It's a reminder that while change can be uncomfortable, it is part of your soul's evolution. Your angels are urging you to trust your intuition, stay positive, and know that these shifts are aligning you more closely with your purpose and higher self. What's the symbolism of angel number 2525? Symbolically, 2525 represents the delicate dance between change and stability. The twos reflect cooperation, trust, and diplomacy, while the fives symbolize unpredictability, personal freedom, and growth. When paired, this number suggests a period of dynamic change that will require you to remain balanced and centered. It encourages flexibility while also maintaining integrity and harmony with others. It's a sign that you are in a transitional phase and should trust that new opportunities and lessons are being divinely orchestrated. 2525 is a call to remain adaptable while honoring your values and trusting that the universe is guiding your path. What is the angel number 2525 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 2525 points to growth through life transitions. It signals a time when spiritual lessons come through experiences that challenge your current way of being. You're being asked to remain grounded and intuitive as shifts occur in your inner or outer world. Number 2 brings faith and trust in divine timing, while number 5 emphasizes spiritual freedom and exploration. This number encourages you to let go of outdated beliefs or situations and make room for higher wisdom. Spiritually, 2525 is about aligning with your soul's evolution by releasing fear, trusting change, and stepping into greater spiritual awareness. What does the angel number 2525 mean for love? In love, angel number 2525 signals transformation and new beginnings. Whether you're in a relationship or single, changes are likely, either strengthening current bonds or making space for a more aligned partner. The energy of 2 supports emotional connection and compromise, while 5 encourages freedom and authenticity. If in a relationship, this number urges growth through honest communication and adapting to one another's need. For singles, it suggests that love will arrive when you embrace your individuality. This number reminds you that change, though uncomfortable, can lead to a more balanced, passionate, and fulfilling romantic experience rooted in truth. What does angel number 2525 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 2525 indicates a phase of deep transformation. It may signify a shift, either a reunion or a separation, depending on the growth required for both souls. The repeated 5s highlight the importance of personal evolution, while the 2s stress harmony and connection. This number reminds twin flames that their journey isn't always linear. Changes may test the bond but are necessary for spiritual alignment. Whether you're together or apart, 2525 assures that each step forward is preparing you for a more authentic, balanced union. It calls for faith, openness to growth, and emotional readiness for the next phase. What does angel number 2525 for manifestation? Angel number 2525 is a strong signal for manifesting change through clarity and adaptability. It encourages you to align your thoughts with your desired outcome while remaining open to unexpected paths. The number 5 brings bold action and transformation, while the number 2 urges balance and trust in divine timing. When manifesting, this number reminds you to release rigid expectations and embrace the journey. Be specific with your intentions, stay flexible, and trust that even challenges are part of the manifestation process. 2525 confirms that your desires are on their way. Stay focused, aligned, and responsive to new opportunities. How does angel number 2525 affect finances? Financially, angel number 2525 suggests change is coming, either through a new opportunity, a shift in income, or a fresh financial approach. It may indicate a time to reassess spending habits, explore new investments, or switch careers. Number 5 brings innovation and risk-taking, while number 2 encourages diplomacy and smart decision-making. This number urges you to trust your instincts, remain adaptable, and avoid impulsive choices. Financial balance will come by embracing flexibility without losing control. Your angels are guiding you toward greater abundance through new pathways, but it's essential to act wisely and remain open to learning in the process. What does angel number 2525 mean for former relationships? Angel number 2525 suggests that past relationships hold lessons that can now be seen in a new light. It invites you to release resentment, reflect on personal growth, and embrace forgiveness. The 5 symbolize change and freedom, hinting that clinging to old emotional patterns may block your future happiness. Meanwhile, the 2s highlight balance, reminding you to find closure through understanding, not blame. This number may also signify that an old relationship could return under better conditions, but only if both people have evolved. Ultimately, it calls for emotional maturity, healing, and the willingness to move forward with wisdom. How does angel number 2525 guide your work life? In your career, angel number 2525 signals significant changes that align with your soul's purpose. It may point to new job opportunities, a career pivot, or creative growth. Number 5 brings innovation, boldness, and adventure, while number 2 advises cooperation and balance. This number urges you to listen to your inner calling and take courageous steps toward work that inspires you. It also suggests that collaboration may be key to progress. If you've been feeling stagnant or restricted, 2525 is a clear message to break free, trust your talents, and create a professional path that reflects your true passions. What are the strengths of angel number 2525? The strengths of angel number 2525 include adaptability, courage, and a forward-thinking mindset. Individuals influenced by this number often excel in periods of transition, finding growth where others see uncertainty. They possess a natural ability to embrace change, solve problems creatively, and inspire others with their resilience. This number also strengthens intuition and emotional intelligence, helping one navigate relationships and challenges with grace. With a blend of emotional awareness and boldness, 2525 energy fosters progress in both personal and professional realms. Its greatest strength lies in transformation, the ability to release the past and move confidently into a more aligned future. What are the weaknesses of angel number 2525? The weaknesses of angel number 2525 may include impulsiveness, restlessness, and resistance to stability. The strong influence of the number 5 can lead to a constant craving for change, making it difficult to commit or stay grounded. People under this energy may start projects enthusiastically but struggle with follow-through. Emotionally, they may avoid deep vulnerability in favor of freedom. Additionally, the challenge lies in balancing the dual energies of change, 5, and cooperation, 2. When out of balance, this number can bring confusion or conflict. To overcome these weaknesses, it's important to cultivate patience, mindfulness, and emotional consistency.